Hey guys, welcome to Tech Chef. My name's TJ and today we have a very interesting unboxing. You guys absolutely loved the previous video. So I decided let's do a follow-up to that. At over 19,000 views. Let's see if we can break that record. Today I will be unboxing the CORSAIR gaming mouse mat. This is the MM300. It's an anti-fray cloth mouse mat. And yes, as you guessed it, this is an extended mouse mat. On the front, you have some of its features. Textile weave design for precise tracking. Reinforced stitched edges guards against surface peeling, and it is optimized for high DPI gaming mice. Taking a look at one of the sides, this is a very interesting overview. It gives you the different available mouse mat options. You can pause and read it. Here we have more specifications on this mouse mat. You can pause and read it. And here we have the overview of this mouse mat, the current design, as well as the dimensions. As mentioned in the beginning of the video, this is the extended edition. At 930 millimeters by 300 millimeters and is 3 millimeters thick. One interesting aspect is CORSAIR was kind enough to include a small touch window. So this allows you, if you do purchase this in store, the ability to test out what it would feel like. Without further ado, let's get this open. This mousepad includes a warranty guide. First impressions of this mouse mat, it feels very soft. I love the design. You have a CORSAIR logo on the bottom right hand side. One very interesting thing is the stitching. It's extremely precise. This should really help with anti-fraying. Guys, next up I'm going to move this to my desk so you get an idea of what this would look like in your setup. Let's go for it. Hey guys, welcome back. This is my current setup. As you can see, got my Logitech keyboard and mouse on my Red Dragon mousepad. What I'm going to do, first things first, is move my peripherals out the way, and then we can install the mousepad and see how she looks. Guys, as you can see, here's the CORSAIR mousepad, and I can already tell you it's going to go beautifully on my tempered glass desk. Okay guys, now we can put the peripherals back in place. Guys, first impression is this really has a good look to it. I like how low profile this is. Guys, even with my Logitech G910 keyboard, with its massive wrist rest, it fits perfectly. There's plenty space on the top and the bottom. The mouse has plenty movement here. And yeah, as you can see, it looks really good. I'm going to bring the camera in for a closer view. In 3, 2, 1. All in all, if you are looking for a mouse pad and an extended edition at that, I would highly recommend you consider this model from CORSAIR. The stitching, the feel, the look, it ticks all the boxes. Shout out to M for letting me unbox her mousepad. Guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, comment, and let me know in the comments below. Do you prefer an extended edition or the regular size?